Hi, welcome to the Sunday School podcast. For this week, we are studying Alma chapters 43 to 52. So, in these chapters, we are right in the middle of a tense and challenging times for the Nephites. They are facing constant battles with the Lamanites, and the stakes are incredibly high. Freedom, family, and faith are all on the line. Captain Moroni is the leader who steps up to the challenge, and he is not just focused on winning battles. He knows that if his people are going to survive, they need to be spiritually prepared as well. One of the coolest things about Captain Moroni is how he balances the physical and spiritual preparation of his people. In Alma chapter 48, verses 7 to 9, it talks about how, while the Lamanites leader Amalickiah was scheming and gaining power, Captain Moroni was busy preparing the minds of the Nephites to be faithful to God. He did not just build walls and fortifications around their cities, he also helped his people strengthen their faith. Moroni knew that true strength comes from being grounded in your beliefs. The idea of spiritual preparation is so important and relevant to us today. Elder David A. Bednar once said, open quote, spiritual preparation must precede worldly performance. Close quote. This means that before we can handle the challenges that come our way, we need to make sure our spirits are strong and ready. Just like Captain Moroni helped the Nephites get spiritually ready for battle, we need to be preparing ourselves for whatever life throws at us. Think about what happens when the Lamanites attack in Alma chapter 49. They are totally shocked to find the Nephite cities so well fortified. One city in particular, the city of Noah, had been a weak spot, but thanks to Captain Moroni, it became one of the strongest places. This is such a great metaphor for our lives. When we take time to build up our spiritual defenses through prayer, scripture study, and living the gospel, our weaknesses can actually become our strengths. President Gordon B. Hinckley once said, he shared a similar thought, open quote, there is no substitute for the spiritual strength and the growth of faith that comes to us as we live the principles of the gospel day by day. Close quote. When we are spiritually prepared, we can handle life's challenges with more confidence, just like the Nephites did. So for this week, the big takeaway from this chapter is that spiritual preparation is not just something nice to do. It is absolutely essential. Captain Moroni shows us that when we are spiritually strong, we are better equipped to face whatever comes our way. Just as the Nephites fortified their cities, we can fortify our own lives by staying close to God and making sure our spiritual foundation is rock solid. This is Brother De Leon, and I hope to see you next week for our next podcast.